In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailerlite to Tally. We'll use Zapier to link your Tally form submissions directly to your Mailerlite audience, so new entries become subscribers automatically. By the end, you'll have a live automation that saves time and keeps your list up to date. Start on your Zapier home screen. Click Create, then choose Zaps to open a fresh workflow. We'll begin with the trigger, which is what starts the automation. Click into the trigger section, search for Tally, and select it. From the trigger events, pick the option that fits your use case, typically a new submission. Before moving on, it helps to have at least one recent Tally form entry, so Zapier can pull in a real example during testing. Connect your Tally account when prompted and continue. Next, select the specific form you want to monitor. This is important if you have multiple forms in Tally. Make sure you choose the one collecting the subscribers you intend to send to Mailerlite. Click Continue, then run a test trigger. Zapier should find a sample submission and show you the fields it captured, like name and email. If nothing appears, submit the form once yourself and test again. With the trigger set, move to the action section. Search for Mailerlite and select it. Choose the action event that matches your goal. Add subscriber if you want to create a new contact when someone submits the form, or update subscriber if you expect the person might already exist and you want to refresh their details. Add subscriber is the most common choice when building a list. Connect your Mailerlite account and continue. Now choose the subscriber group you want new contacts to join. Groups are how Mailerlite organizes contacts for campaigns and automations, so pick the one aligned with your marketing flow. In the email field, map the email address from your Tally submission. This tells Zapier exactly which Tally answer should populate the subscriber's email in Mailerlite. If you see other relevant fields available, you can map them too, but at minimum, email is required. Click Continue and run a test step. Zapier will send the sample data to Mailerlite so you can confirm it arrives as expected. If you see an error, double-check the selected group and that the email field from Tally is valid. When everything looks good, click Publish. From now on, every new submission on that Tally form will flow into your chosen Mailerlite group automatically. That's it. Your Tally to Mailerlite connection is live and working behind the scenes to grow your list.